Every job has hazards. Restoration work is inherently hazardous. The first step to reducing some of the hazards is training before you ever get on site. It's more than just regulatory requirements, though. This needs to be a way of life within your business. Not only will this protect your workers and save your company money from potential injuries, but it will increase productivity by removing the time spent trying to figure things out at the job site. We will do this by covering the specific OSHA regulations to give you an idea of the seriousness of federal, state, and local laws. We have the 29 Code of Federal Regulations, Part 1910. This covers general industry and is what we call a horizontal standard. There's always that chance or possibility that something could go wrong. If it does, it could bring some serious repercussions and consequences to your business.